This is the Scott Metrix 40 model. This is a India specific model which Scott had brought out in 2018, and this is how it looks, the Scott Metrix 40. And that's how it looks in the front. And that is the Scott Metrix 40 there. So my friend has bought this about 8 months back, and he's done around more than 2000 kilometers on this cycle. This model currently retails for around 45,000 rupees, and the key specs here on this cycle are: it has a 9x3 gear train. You have a Deore, Shimano Deore derailleur at the back, 9 gears there, and you have a Shimano Altus front derailleur, and you have hydraulic disc brakes on at the front and the rear. These are both from Shimano, the disc brakes. Here's the front disc brake, hydraulic disc brake setup. The gear shifters are also Shimano Altus, as you can see, and this is how the shifters look on the Scott Metrix 40. And that's a Scott sub seat which comes with the cycle as standard fitment. Then again you have two bottle holder spaces here, so you can mount two of them. The pedals on this cycle are like a plastic material. They're not metallic, so that is a slight disadvantage. Yeah, plastic again. The crank is from Shimano, and I mean, my friend has driven this for, he's taken this for long rides, and he's had a very good experience with this cycle. No major issues as such. The tires, front and rear, are from Kenda, and these are 700 by 38C tires. So they give you a good grip, and and they're not very fat, so you can go pretty fast on this cycle. That's an advantage of 700 by 38 tires. That's how the seat looks. It is quite comfortable, but my friend has he's still bought a gel seat to put on this for long rides, 100 kilometers plus. So if you want to take the cycle for really long rides, this is really good. 100 kilometers plus, 200. It's pretty smooth. No issues with the cycles. He's also put this rear view mirror on the right hand side, and it's from BT Win. The handlebar is from Syncross. Again, no issues with the cycle as such. The only con, or maybe the con on this bike is the gear shifting is a bit noisy. Apart from that, the Scott Metrix 40 is a pretty good cycle, but it is slightly on the expensive side at 45,000 rupees. So if your budget is that much and you want a hybrid cycle which you can take for really long rides, Scott Metrix 40, the India specific model, is a good option, and you should have a look at this cycle.